Unleash your inner beast. A 5-week journey to superhuman stamina. Tired of feeling gassed out? Want to push your limits and dominate your day? You're in the right place. We're talking about unlocking your inner beast and building serious stamina in just 5 weeks. It's about pushing past your perceived limits and realizing your true potential. Get ready to transform, because we're about to embark on a journey that will redefine your relationship with fatigue. Buckle up. This isn't some magic pill solution. It takes grit, dedication, and a willingness to embrace the grind. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. Imagine conquering that challenging hike, outlasting your buddies on the basketball court, or simply having the energy to chase your kids around the park without collapsing. This 5-week plan will equip you with the tools and knowledge to make it happen. We're talking a potent cocktail of cardio, strength training, and mindful nutrition, all designed to elevate your endurance to new heights. So, are you ready to unleash the beast within? Let's do this. Cardio Kickstart, igniting your engine for endurance. Let's talk cardio, the cornerstone of any solid stamina building plan. We're talking running, cycling, swimming, anything that gets your heart pumping and your lungs working. Think of it like this. Cardio is the spark that ignites your body's energy-producing furnace. Aim for at least 30 minutes of heart-pounding action, 5 times a week. That's right, 5 times. Now I know what you're thinking. 5 times a week? Joe, you're killing me, man! But hold on, we're not talking about sprinting like a cheetah on a caffeine bender. Start slow and steady. Ease into it. If you're new to running, try alternating between walking and jogging. Gradually increase your pace and distance as you get stronger. Remember, consistency is key here. It's about building a sustainable routine, not burning yourself out in the first week. So, lace up those shoes, hop on that bike, or dive into that pool. Your journey to superhuman stamina starts now. Strength training. Building a solid foundation for stamina. Cardio is crucial, no doubt, but let's not forget about our good friend strength training. Think of it as building a rock-solid foundation for your stamina skyscraper. We're talking squats, push-ups, lunges, the works. These exercises don't just build muscle, they build resilience, power, and the mental toughness to push past your limits. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week, focusing on compound movements that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Squats, for example, engage your legs, core, and back, building strength and stability throughout your entire body. Push-ups are another fantastic exercise, targeting your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Remember, proper form is crucial to avoid injuries. Start with body weight exercises and gradually add weights as you get stronger. Trust me, the feeling of crushing a heavy set of squats is empowering. You're not just building physical strength, you're building mental fortitude, the kind that spills over into every aspect of your life. Fueling the fire, the power of a balanced diet. You can't expect a high-performance machine to run on junk fuel, right? Your body is the same way. If you want to boost your stamina, you need to feed it the good stuff. I'm talking about a balanced diet packed with lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Think of it as providing your body with the premium fuel it needs to power through those intense workouts and conquer your day. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, so load up on chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. Complex carbs like brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes provide sustained energy release, keeping you fueled for longer durations. And don't be afraid of healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. They're essential for hormone production and overall well-being. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine. These will only sabotage your efforts and leave you feeling sluggish and depleted. Remember, you are what you eat. Fuel your body with premium ingredients, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes in your energy levels and overall stamina. Section 5. Hydration. The elixir of life for peak performance. Water. It's the elixir of life, the lifeblood of our planet, and absolutely crucial for maximizing your stamina. Think of it as the oil that keeps your engine running smoothly, preventing overheating and ensuring optimal performance. Dehydration, on the other hand, is like throwing sand in the gears, leading to fatigue, decreased performance, and a host of other issues. Aim for at least 2 liters of water per day, more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Carry a water bottle with you everywhere you go and sip on it throughout the day. Don't wait until you're thirsty to drink. By then, you're already dehydrated. Pro tip: Add a pinch of Himalayan salt to your water to replenish electrolytes lost through sweat. This will help your body retain water and improve hydration even further. Remember, staying hydrated is non-negotiable when it comes to maximizing your stamina and performing at your peak. Section 6. Rest and recovery. Recharging your batteries for maximum output. Here's the thing about pushing your limits. You need to give your body time to recover and rebuild. Rest days aren't a luxury. They're a fundamental component of any successful stamina-building program. Think of it like this. You wouldn't drive your car without ever stopping for gas or maintenance, would you? Your body is the same. Aim for at least one full rest day per week, where you avoid strenuous activity and allow your body to fully recuperate. This is when your muscles repair themselves, grow stronger, and prepare for the next challenge. Rest days don't have to be boring. Engage in light activities like walking, stretching, or yoga. These activities promote blood flow, reduce muscle soreness, and aid in recovery without overtaxing your body. Remember, rest is not a sign of weakness. It's a strategic investment in your long-term progress. Section 7. Tracking your triumph. Measuring progress and celebrating milestones. We're creatures of habit, us humans. We thrive on routine, on seeing tangible evidence of our progress. That's where tracking comes in. It's not about obsessing over numbers. It's about acknowledging how far you've come and staying motivated on your journey to superhuman stamina. Keep a simple journal or use a fitness tracker to monitor your workouts, noting the distance you run, the weight you lift, or the time it takes you to complete a certain exercise. Record how you feel after each workout, noting any improvements in your energy levels or endurance. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small they may seem. Did you run for 5 minutes without stopping? High five. Did you add an extra 5 pounds to your squat? You're a rock star. Acknowledging your achievements reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated to push even further. Remember, progress breeds motivation, and motivation fuels results. Section 8. Pushing the limits. Gradual progression for optimal results. Our bodies are remarkably adaptable machines. We push them, challenge them, and they respond by growing stronger and more resilient. This is the principle of progressive overload, the key to unlocking your full stamina potential. As you progress through the 5-week program, don't be afraid to gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. Add an extra mile to your run, increase the weight you lift, or try a more challenging workout class. This signals to your body that it needs to adapt, to grow stronger and more efficient. Listen to your body and progress gradually. Don't overdo it, but don't be afraid to push your comfort zone. Remember, growth happens outside your comfort zone. It's about finding that sweet spot, that perfect balance between challenge and recovery that yields optimal results. Section 9. Mental fortitude, the unsung hero of stamina. Stamina isn't just about physical strength. It's about mental toughness, about digging deep and pushing past those voices in your head telling you to quit. It's about developing an unwavering belief in your ability to achieve your goals, no matter how challenging they may seem. Practice mindfulness techniques like meditation or deep breathing exercises to cultivate mental focus and resilience. Visualize yourself succeeding, crossing that finish line, conquering that challenging workout. Believe in your ability to push through discomfort and emerge stronger on the other side. Remember, your mind is your most powerful tool. Train it, nurture it, and it will reward you with unwavering determination and the mental fortitude to achieve anything you set your mind to. Section 10. Embrace the challenge, 5 weeks to a new you. So there you have it, folks. The roadmap to superhuman stamina is laid out before you. 5 weeks of sweat, dedication, and pushing past your perceived limits. Are you ready to embrace the challenge? Are you ready to unlock the beast within and unleash a level of energy and endurance you never thought possible? Remember, this isn't just about physical transformation. It's about mental resilience, about building confidence and an unshakable belief in yourself. It's about proving to yourself that you're capable of more than you ever thought possible. So, lace up those shoes, grab that water bottle, and get ready to embark on an incredible journey of self-discovery and transformation. I'll be right here with you every step of the way, cheering you on. Now let's go out there and dominate.